here. Say hi to Gigi. Say hi, Gigi. Say hi, Gigi. We want to show Gigi our Christmas tree. Hey, look at our Christmas tree, Gigi. Look it. He's not lit up very good. There's it. Oh, there's Matthew. Clunky drunk plunk. Oh, circle spinner. Matthew, can you tell Gigi hi? Wave hi. Say hi, Gigi. Gigi. Can you blow her a kiss? Mwah. Tell her bye-bye. Tell Gigi bye-bye.